My name is Reichter. I'm 35 years old. My current vehicle is a Mark 7 Golfer. I'm a logistics manager and I'm from Sydney, Australia. My first ever car was a Mitsubishi Lancer. My favourite track that I've driven on is Luddenham Raceway and my PB is 54.9. I have the lower control arm with the 2.5 degrees of positive caster. I also have the front and rear sway bar kit, and I've also got the heavy duty end links. My favourite Whiteline product would be the lower control arms. The biggest difference that Whiteline has made to my vehicle, in one word, is grip.